we are currently preparing food ration mobilization. We are preparing troops to be deployed to Vanua from tomorrow. We've held donor and coordination plans as well as meeting. For logistics, we're working with planners to push out our NFIs and non-food items to Vanua. The plan is to push them up tomorrow. That will come through later in the slide. As per discussion, and most of us are aware that as of yesterday, we were having issues with the networks in our EOCs in the Northern Division. However, with the photos that we have seen online and the magnitude of the damage, just by phone discussions with Commissioner Northern, the team are now mobilizing, preparing food rations of 8,000 packs for adults and 2,000 packs for children. The priority will be given to those in the evacuation center. The leftover, we will then prioritize it according to the damages that Commissioner or Northern's team will identify on the ground. We are hoping that this emergency food ration will also go tomorrow, as most of our ECs are now lapsing the 48 hours to which they should bring their food ration. In regards to finance, we are facilitating requests with the divisional commissioners. We are also working with Ministry of Economy and Procurement in regards to the government process that we needed to follow to allow the food and NFIs as well as transportation across to the level.